Morning Standard 6 students. In my last video, I taught you chapter 4, nouns, gender. Now, today in this video, I am going to give you the exercise to do from this chapter, that is chapter 4, gender. So, let's start. Now, you can see practice time. It is from page 34. Now let's come to the first question. Write each word under the appropriate column. You see, two columns are given, masculine and feminine. Here also given common, neuter. So you see, there are 4 columns has been given and some words are given in the box. You have to choose the words and you have to write the words in the right column. The first word is given in the box: niece, nephew, principal, violin, mayor, car, president, coin, neighbor, mistress, mister, secretary, country, rock, hen, pet. So again I am repeating the words that is given in the box: niece, nephew, principal, violin, mayor, car, president, coin, neighbor, mistress, mister, secretary, country, rock, hen, pet. So you have to choose the words from the box and you have to write in the column. Now let's come to the question number 2. Write the masculine or feminine nouns for the following. So you have understood, you have to change the gender. The first one is given widow, 2 is given gentleman, 3 is given patron, 4 is given bachelor, 5 is given emperor, 6 is given directress, number 7 is given actress, 8 is given mother, 9 is given daughter, 10 is given queen, 11 is given drake, 12 is given stepfather. So you have to change the gender of these words given. Now this is the exercise from page 35. A. Write the opposite gender for the following. See, the masculine and feminine is given. So the one is given cow. Now see, the first one I have done for you, that is cow. The feminine is, here you see, in the masculine cow is given. You cut it and make it ox or bull. Cow is not the masculine gender. So the feminine will be cow. So question number 1. In the book you omit, you cut it cow and write it ox or bull, and feminine gender of ox or bull is cow. Number 2, dash goose. You have to write down the masculine gender. Hero, you have to write the feminine gender. 4 is given horse, you have to write the feminine gender of horse. You see, 5th is given the masculine gender is a blank and feminine gender has been given hen. So you have to write the masculine gender. Similarly, go to question number 6. Fox, you have to write the feminine gender. Author, you write the feminine gender. Now you see, masculine gender is not given, feminine gender is given, so you have to write the masculine gender in question number 8. Question number 9, dash maid. So you have to write the masculine gender of maid. Question number 10, stag. You have to write the feminine gender. Now go to question number B. Rewrite the following sentences using nouns of the opposite gender wherever possible. Make other changes as required. The cock ran after the horse. The first one I have done for you. See how I have changed the gender. The cock ran after the horse. I have written the hen ran after the mare. So the opposite of cock is hen. Cock is the masculine gender. Hen is the feminine gender. Horse is the masculine gender. Mare is the feminine gender. Now go to question number 2. The poet received the prize from the chief guest. So you have to change it. Change the gender wherever it is required. Question number 3. He went to the temple with his mother. Question number 4. The bridegroom was a young man of 22. Question number 5. My wife is my father's daughter-in-law. Question number 6. My mother's daughter is my sister. Now question number 7 is given. My uncle's son is a dentist. Question number 8. The landlady is very kind. Question number 9. He advised the hunter not to kill the tiger. So the sentences are given. You have to write the sentence by changing the gender wherever it is required.
Ready.
So dear students, in my video I have given you the exercise to do in your grammar book or English grammar copy. So stay with me for the next video. Have a nice day. Thank you.